Hi everybody. So to start our Engineering Online class, we're going to start with Tinkercad. And what I need you to do first is log into your school Gmail account and then log into your Tinkercad account. It should bring up this page here. If not, select the Autodesk Tinkercad icon on the left side there. From here, we're going to sign you into a class. So go to Classes and you're going to go to the Engineering Online class, right? And this is the information you need to sign into that class. You'll need this code here, and then this information down here will get you to the class and into the class, logged into it, so we can record the information that you're able to get accomplished in the projects and stuff. I will have a link to this page and an image of this also on the module page in Canvas as well. All right, so you can come back to that. So once you're in Tinkercad, you want to go to Learn. And we're going to select over here below 3D, we're going to select circuits, and then you're going to do your starter circuits, your lessons, and then your projects. And all this information will get recorded in the class setting that you signed into, and then I'll add the grade from there once you've got it completed. Time frame on this, I think we should be somewhere about a week to a week and a half, maybe two tops. I'll see how things progress, but I think it shouldn't take us more than a week to get through all this information. So this won't be due till the middle of next week once you start this course information on Wednesday this week. Okay. If you have any questions, email me and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you're struggling with anything, email me your questions regarding the information, and I can walk you through it. We can do a video tutorial or something like that. Okay. Thank you very much.